Good morning, children. So I think as you people have heard the first lesson, now we can go through the third lesson. It's nothing but the selfish gain as the two parts, children. So just go through the lesson part and we can discuss deep in it. Okay. So children, I don't know how far you people have saw the first video. The lesson. Let's see the second lesson. Children, this is the selfish gain. Selfish gain, I think you people might be known the selfish. Yes, I think you people might be known very well, better than me. Okay, it's okay, fine, children. So in this lesson, you'll be having the characters. Okay, the characters. It's nothing but it's not a particular characters. You can do as the drama also, and you can talk as is the conversation, like a conversation. I think you know what is meant by a conversation between the two people. Okay, so let's see, children, this selfish gain, what he done and what all the things he do over there. Okay, I think you people might be known the this thing, and old gain, the gain refer to the small characters, and the gain in the selfish character, whereas the old gain is changed in the kind character. See, children, this person, he used to very rude. He used to he used to fight, or he used to quarrel, or he used to scold. Everything he used to do. But we don't know how he changed. By knowing the lesson only, we get to know what all the things he done and how he changed. Okay, children, let's go through the lesson. Children, this person, a few people over near the village. Think over the village. Okay. So near the village, it's a big palace. It's a big palace that all the people over there, they are living in there. The big people will be staying in that palace. In earlier days, they used to discuss. So what happened one fine day? These people, everyone who will come to the visit for the village, means any of the people will be coming. So many of them are coming and asking about the palace, and they are just looking after that and going off. So what happened? In that palace, it's very beautiful. Everything was very beautiful, even the garden too. So children, what happened means, these people over near the village, one person came near to, the other people who all came from the outside, they came near to the village people and asked him, "Sir, who will be living in that palace?" What the village person is saying to the new person? He's saying, "Yes, a big people who will live over there in the earlier days, now the gate is there." So what gate is there? Shall we go inside and see? No, till now we did not went inside. We don't know even, we won't even, we just look after from the outside only, the garden and everything else. So okay, fine, they were just nodded their hands and they were discussing everything, how the people used to be, and inside how it is used to be, everything they were discussing it. For example, if you saw a beautiful thing, means what will you immediately, the eyes will go through that and will discuss. So in the same manner, these people also discussing it. Okay, everything that people also, they nodded and they were just looking at everything and they went. So what happened near the village, means the children will be there. What they are doing? They want to play. Means as the people know, even you will be also playing in the same manner if you find out the garden. So these children also, these village people also, children, what they are doing? They came near to the gate and they went inside. Because no one is there, no one will scold us, so we can play happily. All these children, all the kids, they went inside and they were playing. Suddenly what happened, children? These people, when these children all are playing and they were shouting and they were jumping, they were doing something. What all are there in the garden? They were using everything else, went with the flowers and trees, everything. So what happened? These sounds, the gain came from outside. So he came outside. He was inside only, but he came outside and looking. What is this sound? He came outside and he was looking very angrily. Just he scolded, "Children, get out from here." So all the children, they were scared. They and they went outside. So what happened? Okay, they went outside. The other day, again the children came and they were playing. Again this person came from inside. Again he shouted, and again they went out. The third day, what happened means, when they came, they were playing. Immediately the king came down near the garden and he was asking, "Children, from the 2 days onwards, I am telling you, don't come near to my garden or don't enter to my palace. Why are you coming inside?" And he was very angrily shouted. All the children were scared. Oh my God, what he will do? He may beat us. So let's run. So they ran away and they went. He was keep on watching. The other day what happened? The children, no one else coming, and he came down to send all the children outside. So when he came down, what he done? He locked the door. He locked the main door. And when he locked the main door, the children wouldn't able to come inside. But though what this gain has done, he covered everything surrounding. He covered everything else. But so the children, they thought, what this person done? Why this gate has done like this? We can play inside, no? What it happens? Nothing will happen, no? So these children were discussing each other something. I mean, they want to go inside and play. So for that they were discussing each other. So what happened? Okay, fine. They have tried to come inside. Anyhow, somehow they tried it. They tried and they came inside. But again he was sitting at the down. He was sitting at the down and he was just looking after them. So immediately what these children has done, when they tried to come inside, no, they came inside. And they were able to go, they were able to go to the ground, garden. So they went inside. Suddenly they saw this gate. Oh, this gate is over here only. Come friends, let's move. All were running this side and that side. But they couldn't able to go outside. But this gate was, what? You people won't listen to me what I am saying it? Why you are coming inside? He was scolding very hardly. These children were scared and they were crying, shouting. So finally what happened? These people, one by one they went off. Only one person left. Only one child left. That child, she is very small. Okay, that child left and she was hiding near the tree. And what happened? When she was hiding near the tree, this gate has saw. I think the people might be seeing this picture. See how the children were running when they saw the gate. So these people running, and that girl, only that small girl only left. So she left she was hiding near the tree. The gate saw suddenly to her and she was crying. Why you only left? The gate was asking to the girl, the little girl. Why you left? You also get out of my garden. Don't even come again or else I will kill you. He was warning like that. Who is warning? The gate was warning to a little girl. Then the little girl, what she said? We want to play here. The garden was very beautiful. So we want to play here. And she was saying, no, don't play here. Just get out of my place. So this man, the king, when he scolded, immediately that girl also went out. So when he knocked everything, again he tightly done everything, covered and everything else. So one fine day, the garden was very dry. It means it was nothing else. All the flowers and the trees and even the grass, everything was spoiled. He was thinking, why this garden is becoming like this? Why it was when the children came, the garden was very beautiful. But now, when I covered everything else, these trees and the grass and everything was spoiled. Why it is spoiled? Okay, let's see when the winter season comes. He was just seeing when the winter season will come. When the winter season came, but no use. Okay, the winter season went. Okay, the winter season came, but no use to the garden. Let's see the spring season. So he thought, okay, the spring season, let the spring season come. Again, he is waiting for the spring season. The spring season also came, but no use. Then he thought, why this? What is going on in this ground? Why my flowers are falling? Why my leaves are falling down? What is the problem with that? So he was thinking like that, he was thinking, keep on thinking it. He felt very sad, but such a beautiful garden, it became like, we can't say, it became in that manner. So we couldn't able to see the garden also. So he thought like that, okay fine, let me relieve these all the things which I have knocked it. So he removed everything, let the children come inside, then I'll find out if the garden is good, well and fine, or else again I'll close everything. He thought in that manner. Who thought? The gate. So what happened? Okay fine, this gate has got everything, no? So he released the gates. All the children were coming inside and they were playing like that. They were playing day by day. The garden was improving. It's very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful when the children are playing. So it became very beautiful. Then what he thought, children? What he thought? He thought that I should not be a selfish person. I should not be alone. I should not scold anyone. I should be in a good way. So then only I can maintain a good character from everyone else. So he said to the children that all the children were very happy in their faces and they were smiling very beautifully. This gate has observed that word. So he observed that and he said that, okay children, you can play happily and I will also play when I get a time. So one fine day the gate also came down and playing with all the children. And while he was playing with all the children, he also felt very happy. So this is about the topic about the selfish gate. The child climbs into the old gate's arm. The winter melts away before them as they walk into an ever-expanding garden. So they were spending more time in the garden only. Of course, you people also might have the garden. So if anyone come inside and see the garden, wow, what a beautiful, they'll say. When they come inside and if they play, means that looks very beautiful. If you won't send anyone or if you won't make others to see the garden, means that the flowers won't be happy, even the grass won't be happy. For example, children, you people are there. If you gave a pen to one person is not having the pen, he was searching for the pen. So when he was searching for the pen, you know that the person is searching for the pen. But though if you neglect that one, that's a bad habit. When you look after that person, that he or she not having the pen, immediately you have to help them. Okay, or else you have to help them. Then only you feel happy and also the other person also feel happy. That makes us a beautiful heart in us. Okay children, don't be like a shellfish. So this is about the part 1 and the part 2 children. If you go through these lessons, then you can identify, then you can know more inside what is there. Okay, just go through the hard words and the meanings over here. Children, here the hard words and the meanings are castor, scatter, wrapped, delighted, sneeze, hack, fable, seize, hail and rejoice. according to this word, you have to find one sentence and you must write down in your notes. So just remember this one, copy down in your notes and go through the meanings. Whispering, speaking quietly. Rejoiced, expressed great happiness. Delightful, very pleasant. Scatter, disperse, spread over. Wrapped, covered. So children, these are the meanings and the hard words of this lesson. You can go through the lesson once and just listen the video what I said and read the lesson also, and what I said regarding these hard words also. You must maintain the sentence and the meanings also. You just go through it. Thank you children.